let's run child support guidelines. Today, we're going to be running guidelines for a couple out of Frederick County, Maryland. We have Darren, who is a payroll technician for the DC government, and we have Nina J., who is currently unemployed. She is receiving about $1,200 a month in unemployment benefits, while Darren is earning about $5,000 a month with the DC government. They have one child together, that's Corey J. He is 3 years old, and they have a couple of expenses for Corey. So Darren is currently paying about $250 for health insurance. He's also paying about $1,600 a month for work-related child care with a licensed daycare provider. Darren also has sole custody of Corey because he has over 300 overnights according to their parenting plan. So, according to these guidelines, Nina would owe Darren $560 a month for child support for Corey. Now, a lot of people likely might have questions. Why is she paying him child support when she's unemployed? And that's most of the money she's supposed to have. Well, the fact remains is she has a duty to support her child. Now, I don't know the circumstances around why or why not she's only earning $1,200 a month as unemployment. There's lots of gig work that she could be doing to earn more money. But at minimum, she's going to have to support this child. And according to the guidelines, her financial responsibility is $560. Another question that might be asked is why is his child going to a licensed daycare worker when his mother's unemployed and she could be watching the child? You don't know how long she's going to be unemployed, right? You don't know if it's convenient for him or not or whatever when it comes to figuring out what makes sense for their family, right? So for this family, it made sense for him to have work-related childcare expenses, and it's likely, very, very likely, that a judge will credit him for that expense, despite the fact that Nina is unemployed. So with that being said, the support is likely to be about $560 based on the information I have for this couple.